How to check all deleted messages on Insta. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can check all deleted messages on Instagram. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. So the first thing that you'll need to do is open up your Instagram and make sure you're logged in. Then go to your profile on the bottom right. Then tap on the three lines on the top right. And you should be on your settings and activity. So from here, you'll need to head over to the accounts center that's on the top. And after you're here, scroll down until you see account settings. Now right here, you'll need to head over to your information and permission. Tap on that. Then tap on export your information. So since we are trying to check the old deleted messages, we'll need to request data from Instagram themselves. So head over to this section. Now my bad here, it's not showing that, but let's do that again. Export information. So you can log in right here. And after you log in, you should see something like this. Let me open the same from Facebook. It's basically the same thing. So tap on access your information, export your information. Then from here, you can tap on create export. Choose the account. You can choose a profile. So I'll just choose my Instagram's profile and then tap on export to device. So after you're here, you can select your, information type. So I'll just clear everything except the messages. So let me search for messages. Let me clear everything here. Let's clear everything else. So now simply select messages from here. So let me search where the messages are. There we go. And tap on save. Now you can also customize your date. So you can see the date range. You can select old, if you remember the timeline, you can custom date as well and then tap on save. Then tap on start export and they will request the data for you. And you will get a mail. You'll get something like this after the data has been ready, and then you can tap on download to download the data. After you download the data, you can check the messages. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.